Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by identifying the exact blocker and browser so you don't guess. Open the browser's extensions or add-ons page and view details. This reveals version and site permissions. Once done, disable VPN or proxy and any privacy scripts because they can trigger ad block detection servers. Now disable the ad blocker for this site or create an exception list entry that immediately removes the simplest detection flags. Make sure to keep the extension UI visible for the next steps. You'll need to inspect what the site checks. Open developer tools and watch network and console. Locate requests that fail or scripts flagged as blocked. Then whitelist those domains or exact script paths in your ad blocker, because allowing only those reduces ad exposure while bypassing detection. If the site uses element-based checks, add custom cosmetic filters or scriptlet exceptions to neutralize the detection hooks. Once implemented, reload and retest to confirm the detection no longer triggers. To finish, clear cache and cookies and perform a hard reload so the site fetches the updated resources. Stale tokens can re-trigger detection. If problems persist, test in a private window or separate profile where extensions are minimal to isolate the cause. Make sure to re-enable only the necessary exceptions. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, install a separate privacy browser or use a script manager to apply targeted overrides. This provides a controlled environment without globally disabling your blocker.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.